Good morning, students. This video is for class 7 and 8. In this video, we will continue with the present continuous tense for the subject of English language. This topic is already submitted to you on dated 26th April 2021. Students, in our previous video, we have done first two forms of present tense, that is simple present tense and present continuous tense. Today, we will be doing present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Now, let us have a quick revision of simple present and present continuous tense. Then we will start with the other two forms of the present tense. The simple present tense is used to talk about the things that happen regularly or are universal truth. We use first form of the verb, base form of the verb V1 with plural subject, and S or ES is used with singular subjects. We use do does in the negative and interrogative sentence. Present continuous tense is used to describe a continued or an ongoing action in the present time. We use is, am, are and base form with ing to frame present continuous tenses. So students, now we are going to discuss the next two forms of present tense, that is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to talk about an action completed in the recent past but whose effect still remain. The present perfect tense is used to express an action that has recently been completed. For example, we have just reached Goa. He has just eaten his meal. It is used to express an action for which time is not given. For example, we have visited the Lotus Temple. Example number 2. Meeta has bought a dress for herself. Students, now we will discuss the rules for making present perfect tense. For assertive sentences, structure or syntax, that is subject plus has, have plus V3, third form of the verb, or past participle plus object. For example, we have accepted their proposal. Students, we use has with singular nouns and or subjects and have with plural nouns or subject. In negative sentences, structure is subject plus has, have plus not plus past participle form of the verb plus object, V3. For example, we have not accepted their proposal. Then interrogative sentences, syntax has, have plus subject plus V3, third form of the verb plus object plus sign of interrogation. For example, have we not accepted their proposal? Sign of interrogation. Students, we have discussed present perfect tense. Now we will discuss the present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action that began at some time in past and is still going on and is still going on. For example, she has been teaching in this school for 10 years. So here you can see that she has started teaching in the school, but still she is teaching. It means. Example number 2. I have been waiting for you since 10 a.m. So, I have started waiting for you here since morning and still I am waiting. Then, rules for making present perfect continuous tense. Assertive sentences. Syntax. Subject plus has, have plus been plus V1 ing plus since for plus object. For example, she has been contesting election since 2011. Students, for is used to express when something we talk about a period of time. For example, 2 days, for 2 days, for half an hour, for 5 years, etc. For period of time. For is used for period of time, not fixed. And since is used to talk about a specific point in time or a time when the action started. For example, since morning, since evening, since 9 a.m., since 2009, etc. When time is fixed. And how do we frame negative sentences with present perfect continuous tense? Syntax. Subject plus has, have plus not plus been plus V1 ing plus since for plus object. For example, she has not been contesting election since 2011. Then, interrogative sentences. Syntax. Has, have plus subject, then been plus V1 ing plus since for plus object plus sign of interrogation. Has she been contesting election since 2011? So, students, we have done with present tense all the 4 forms of present tense. Now, you all are required to revise the content carefully for your UT, because it is in your UT, and revise the content and attempt all the exercises given in your book. Thank you and have a nice day.